Hello guys, in this video I'm going to talk about reactjs folder and file structure. Yesterday we created React boilerplate code and we'll see in the folder structure and files one by one. Let's go and have a look in Visual Studio Code. And already I opened Visual Studio Code in here. See guys, and yesterday I created using the command npx create react app, and that one is created my a boilerplate code of the React. So here the node modules is one of the folder and public is the folder. Another one is the src is the source folder, and I'll git ignore and package log json and package.json and readme file and tsconfig.json file. Let's go and have a look in one by one guys. First I would like to talk about in package.json file and package log.json file. So it's going to log the whatever the dependencies. Package.json is mainly for the dependencies guys. So what are the dependencies? Like they have the different types of dependencies. Number one is here, see guys, name and version, and private is either true or false, and the dependencies and whatever the dependencies you installed in your package, and automatically it is installed by React guys. The scripts start, build and test and eject, and text is if you're running npm test and it will go to run test. Npm build means it will go to create the build. Npm start means your application is going to start. Yes, lint config by default is going to give the lint config guys. And next one is the browser list, either production 0.2 percentage, not dead, and optimal, all this stuff. And development, last one Chrome version, Firefox version, and Safari. All these dependencies same. Here also the same thing guys. In the log version, like it will go to show you all the dependencies, version, what version you are using, and all this stuff you are going to show. All these package.json dependencies, it will come under the node modules guys. Node modules, it will, once you are installing npx create react app, is all the dependencies coming under node modules guys. So next one is the public folder. Public folder is mainly for, if I would like to talk about this one, is just pevicon.ico file, and just this is the icon of that, and index.html file. And index.html is the main file guys. Here we have our link, and this is the HTML file we're going to run our React app, and here the title of the React app. If you are changing React crash course, and I would like to change the React crash course this name, and then and then is the ID guys, in div ID equal to root, and that's the main guys. So that's all. So automatically it will run our application here. And remaining just manifest.json file, this one it will go to short name and name react app sample or blah blah, it will go to create it guys. And this is the public file, is mainly for public file. Next one is src guys, source file. Source file you are going to create in components, and the main components, everything is coming up over here. app.css file and app.test.tsx file it will come guys, and main is the app.tsx. App.tsx is going to create by default your app file guys. This one we are going to remove if you want to remove this part, and if you want to run another thing, and we'll see now. I will run and I will show you guys how this one is working. And just I'm trying to explain you what are the files and what are the folder structure over here. Index.css file, you can get it in all this stuff in font family and all this stuff guys. Index.tsx, this one is mainly, it will see, this is the app component is coming over here. React.strict mode, and then everything is coming over here. And logo.svg file, this one is the just logo guys. And remaining all files are setup.test. and report web titles.ts files, and git, and these are all the files guys in under src file under public folder. Git ignore, just you want to, once you are build it and once you are deploying your application, you want to ignore it in node modules, pnp.js, coverage, all this stuff is which is not required. What are the not required things? If you want to hide those things, and just you can ignore it guys. By default is coming up. Next is readme file guys. Readme file is mainly for if you want to, suppose for example, if you are implementing in one component, that component, how that one is working, you can create in each and every component if you want, if it is required. If you want to create in each and every component readme file, you can okay, that is your option guys, and based on your team and your project, you can create it and you can add it, guys. Next one is the tsconfig.json file. How this one is coming, I installed in npx in template.typescript, guys. So that's the reason is coming up in here, that tsconfig.json file. Here is the compiler options, target es5 and lib is dom and dom iteratable, and hello and the strict true and all this stuff is there, guys. And jsx is react.jsx and include is src file. So that's all, guys, and all the folder structure. And the next video I'm going to run this application and I will show you how this one is running. And yeah, we'll see in that one as well. That's all, guys, in this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, guys, and you will get in more updates. Thank you, guys. Bye.